Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce pasta easily without any cheese. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite pasta, 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Don't forget some garlic, onion, and your preferred seasonings to enhance the flavor. Also, have a large pot ready for the pasta and a saucepan for our creamy sauce. Now let's get our pasta perfectly cooked. Start by boiling about 4 liters of water in a large pot. Once it's boiling, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then, cook approximately 200 grams of your chosen pasta according to the package instructions until it's al dente, meaning firm to the bite. Drain the pasta well, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's a secret ingredient for our sauce. Next, we'll create our delicious, creamy white sauce. In a separate saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Whisk this mixture continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes to form a smooth roux. This is our thickening agent. Gradually pour in 2 cups of milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue whisking until the sauce is smooth, creamy, and has thickened to your desired consistency. Finally, let's bring everything together for a delightful meal. In a large pan, sauté about 1/2 cup of chopped onions and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic until fragrant. Then, add your perfectly cooked pasta and the creamy white sauce to the pan. Stir everything gently to combine. Season with about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and salt to your taste. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley and serve your homemade white sauce pasta immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.